Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics. We will continue exercise 2a. In my previous video I had solved question up to question number 6. Now from today we will start from question number 7. Evaluate under big bracket, then under curly small bracket, 5 to the power minus 1 multiplied with 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1, and here big bracket is closed. Now look here, to solve it, first for removing this minus sign we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction 1 by 5. Again for removing side we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction, and here to the power minus 1. Again from here, from removing this minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. Now 1 by 15 to the power minus 1 divided. When divide turns into multiply, the next fraction becomes reciprocal 6 by 1. Now for removing this negative sign, we have to write here reciprocal of this fraction 15 into 6, that is equal to 90. That's the answer. Now in question number 8, all questions are same. Here we will solve the second number question of question number 8. In second question of question number 8, 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 under a small bracket divided by 2 to the power minus 3. Now for removing this minus sign we have to write here 1 by 2. This removing minus sign we have to write 1 by 3 divided, and for removing this minus sign we have to write the reciprocal of this 1 by 2 whole cube. Now 1 1 is 1, 2 3 is 6 divided by the whole cube of 1 is 1 and the whole cube of 2 is 2 2 is 4 2 is 8. Now when we convert this divide into multiplication, the next fraction becomes reciprocal 8 by 1. Now reduce it, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. The value will be here 4 out of 3. Now question number 9 and 10 both are same. So we will look here question number 10 first. In question number 10, find the value of x. Find the value of x for which 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7, that will be equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Now what is the value of x? Here we have to calculate. So here the question is given 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Now both numbers having the same base, so we have to add their exponents here. 4 by 9, 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 2x minus 1. Now when we will add its exponent, the value will be here plus minus minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 2x minus 1. So 4 by 9 whole to the power minus 3 and 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Now in the both sides there are same base, so we have to compare their exponent. So we have to write here comparing the exponents. Comparing the exponents. Here the exponent is 2x minus 1 and here the exponent is minus 3. Therefore 2x equals to, when we change the side of minus 1 it turns into plus 1. Therefore 2x equals to minus 2. Therefore x equals to minus 2 by 2, that will be cancelled 1. Therefore the value of x is equal to minus 1. In this way you can solve this question. Now question number 11 and 12 both are same. So we will look here question number 12. Question number 12. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. So here we have to consult, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, it is given here when minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 is divided by x, then the quotient will be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. It is given here when 4 by 27 to the power minus 2, when minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 is divided by x, the value will be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. Now we have to look here. X is linear in multiply. So when we change the side of x, it turns into divide. 4 by 27 to the power minus 2 is equal to, for removing this minus sign, we have to write in reciprocal order. So minus 3 by 2 whole cube. And here x is in divide, so here it turns into multiply. Now the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2 whole cube into, here it is in multiply, so here it turns into divide. 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. Therefore the x equals to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. That would be equal to, now divide sign, and for removing this minus sign we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction, 27 by 4 square 2. Now multiplying the terms here, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, minus 27 by 2 2 are 4 2 are 8. Now divided by 27 into 27 by 4 into 4. Therefore x equals to minus 27 by 8. And when this divide sign turns into multiply, the next fraction also becomes reciprocal. So 4 2 are 8 and 2 2 are 4. 27 and 27 will be cancelled. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 2 by 27. That's the answer. Therefore, required number is equal to minus 2 by 27. Now we have to look at question number 13. In question number 13, if 5 to the power 2x plus 1, that would be divided by 25 is equal to 125, find the value of x. Now 5 to the power 2x plus 1, that would be divided by 25 is equal to 125. That is given in question. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1, here 25 is in divide, so when you turn the side, it turns into multiply. Now these all numbers we have to write in the exponent of 5. Exponential order of 5. So to 125 we can write in the exponential order of 5 is 5 cube, and 25 in right exponential order of 5 is square of 5. Now the both number having the same base, so we have to add their exponents, 3 plus 2. Therefore 5 to the power 2x plus 1, that would be equal to 5 to the power 5. Now in the both sides the value of number is equal here, the base are equal, therefore their exponents are also equal. So comparing the exponents, 2x plus 1, that will be equal to 5 Therefore 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. Therefore x equals to 4 by 2. Therefore x equals to 2. The value of x is equal to 2. Okay. In this way you can complete this exercise. Now in the next exercise 5b, we have to learn how to write the numbers in a standard form. Okay. Thank you for watching.